Nais kong ibahagi ang aking natutunan sa mensaheng ibinahagi ni Pastor Hurston Chabalyo. Ito ang 7 essentials sa Bible. Number 1, seek God and not sin. Ang aking natutunan ay, we must read the Bible and go to church. Number 2, fear God, not men. The fear of God will align ourselves in having a big respect to Him. Number 3, love God, not the world. Loving God with all our heart, soul, mind, and strength is the greatest commandment. Number 4, believe God, not the deceiver. Sometimes or often, the evil deceives us into something that will lead people in fears. Number 5, obey God, not your appetite. Our desires to the world will lead us away from God or God's will. 6, serve God, not ourselves. Serving Him could be prioritizing Him every Sunday and worshiping, praising Him with our fellow Christians. Number 7, worship God, not comfort. Prioritize God over my personal convenience. I'll seek God to stop avoiding my problems. Ang natutunan ko at gustong maisabuhay ay ang pagkakaroon ng dedikasyon sa pagsamba sa Kanya. Ilan lamang ito sa mga bagay na dapat isaalang-alang ng bawat isa. Sooner or later, magkakaroon din tayo o mahanap din natin sa Kanya ang tagumpay at kapayapaan sa ating mga buhay.